Hello again, everyone. We got one more critter we're going to do for you today. I want to bring out one of my newest amphibians. Again, it's from another great little local herpetological company, mostly just geckos. I'm going to bring out a super blue Dendrobates auratus poison arrow frog. It's one of this family's, well, it's one of the members of the family of poison arrow frogs, and it's just a different color variation. Normally, they're kind of like an emerald green and black enamel. These ones are blue with black enamel. So it's an amphibian, and as we've been learning, amphibians have, well, they got very special skin. They have poison in their skin, and they drink water, and they breathe air through their skin. So I never let anybody pet them with their hands, maybe hold them in their container, but it's for the safety of the critter. No petting an amphibian because you will hurt them. So they do have to stay in their container for their safety, and they're really super fast and they're quite good jumpers. So I hope you can see them, and I will try to do something a little bit different because I want you guys to see the blue on them. But these are pretty cool little animals. They do need a lot of humidity and a very special diet, obviously being this small. These ones are from an area of the Amazon rainforest in South America, and they live on the ground. Very secretive little animals. They'll be hopping around the leaves and the plants on the ground to hide. Being brightly colored, as most poison arrow frogs are, they really don't camouflage, though they are hard to see. And then they'll hop, obviously, to get away. In the wild, the reason that they're poisonous is because of their food. They'll eat ants. Ants are venomous, but their species of ant that they like to eat actually eats a poisonous plant. So the ant becomes venomous from eating a poisonous plant, then the frog becomes poisonous from eating a venomous animal. So they are carnivores. And I got really lucky. I got a little colony of 4 of them. They're too young to tell if they're girls or boys. I hope I have 1 or 2 of each. But I won't know until maybe I see egg laying or the male trying to attract a girlfriend. If you've ever heard a frog or a toad croak or ribbit, you're hearing a boy who's probably trying to attract a mate. Girls have it hardwired in their brain that if the boy sounds good, that boy will help them make the best babies possible. And these ones are still going to grow, but they are a very small frog. Not the smallest, but they're small. But the most poisonous animal in the world is a frog about that big. It's another species of poison arrow frog. It's called Phyllobates terribilis. And they supposedly have enough poison on the outside of their body, on their skin, to kill 200 grown adults. That's pretty toxic for a little critter that size. But these animals aren't being fed ants in captivity, so they don't create poison. I still don't recommend handling them because you'll hurt them, but they're not poisonous because they aren't getting their natural food. And I would not want to get ants to put in their cage because ants can also be a predator, and they could go after your frogs and hurt them, especially at night when the frogs might be sleeping. So hope you guys enjoyed meeting those little guys, and we'll come back in a week or so with some other vids for you. Thank you.